Blessed Sunday, everybody. Welcome to Barber Dave's Barbershop at Home. And for the first of our 3 days of shave videos, today we're going to do an all-Italian shave, probably with one of the most classic and copied scents out there. But our hardware today, we're going to be using a JP Alcamisi General Badoglio, an Italian razor. Pretty neat bolsters and so forth. This is a 6H razor that I've just rehoned. For our shaving soap, we're going to be using Acqua de Parma, as well as the rest of the players in today's little cast. We've got the Colonia Intensa Aftershave Splash and the Colonia Intensa Eau de Parfum. And as far as the brush is concerned, we're going to be using a Sorrentino BrushWorks Luca Brasi with a Tuxedo knot. So hope everybody's doing very, very well today. Oh, and we'll also be using the Proraso Alum post-shave, as well as the Proraso Talc. So basically an entire Italian shave today. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. We're going to be back on track with our Zoom calls today. We provided everything goes according to plan. This is kind of a early afternoon shave for me. Usually I shave Sunday mornings, but there was some stuff I was taking care of. The Acqua de Parma soap, as well as our other products, is probably literally the original Italian citrus Colonia scent. Probably one of the most copied. A lot of people will say that the original Acqua de Parma was just a little bit light, and so hence the Colonia Intensa that has come out. The soap, for the price, is it a top tier soap? No, but it's a very nice feeling soap on the skin. The argument can be made is the Acqua de Parma worth the premium price that's paid? And again, as I always say, it's a matter of what you like. I love Italian Colonia scents, and I'll probably always have this soap in my den. And it does last a long time too. I mean, I've had this for a really long time. It's just fun to use. It does, although it's not advertised as such, I think it does have a little bit of menthol in it, because you do get some cooling with the soap. It'll take on a lot of water. And as you can see, it comes out pretty nice and creamy. Good cushion. With a straight, it's slick enough to do pretty well. We're going to do the whole shave today. We're not going to speed it up. So, as they say in your favorite amusement park, please do not put your arms outside the car and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's see how we did. This is a full-bellied hollow blade, and it sings, especially on the strop. I had never heard of this razor, but quite frankly, the scales are what really turned me on about it. Because they're very unique, especially with the bolsters and so forth. So if you like the Italian citrus scents and you've always wanted to try Acqua de Parma, what I suggest is trying the Colonia Intensa. because it is a much stronger fragrance. Same fragrance. But in the typical Italian Colonia scent. Although I've not verified it, I'm pretty sure that it finds Italian citrus was fashioned after this. It does leave the face nice and cool. Well, it's not a face freezer, but it's pretty good. We'll set up for our second pass. We're going to go ahead and strop. I don't know if the mic picked up the little singing that you could hear, but it's pretty cool. First pass went really well. Don't forget to sign up for our Rudolph Christmas gift exchange. That's going to be coming up very, very soon on the Shaving Cadre. I would put the Acqua de Parma soap in probably the same realm as WSP. So not necessarily a top tier soap, but a very good soap. Now it does command top tier pricing though, I will tell you that. And normally, I just noticed, normally I don't shave with my watch and my rings on, but since this is an afternoon shave, that's probably why. Okay, pass two went well. The fresh honing of the blade seems to be doing very, very well. It's a very smooth razor on the skin too. And of course, not to leave Mr. Sorrentino out, Eric's brushes are just flat out superb. The Barzini is great in the hand, and the Tuxedo knot is really nice. We miss Eric. Hopefully he'll be back with us making brushes and being a little bit more active in the forum soon. Okay, third and final pass. Oh, just as a couple of housekeeping items. Please make sure that when you get a chance, just review the TOU. Just the terms and usage for each, for the main site, and then also for the each subforum, because these documents are living documents, so they're evolving, and it's for your protection and that of our vendors and hobbyists. And plus it prevents, by knowing the TOUs and understanding them, it prevents any questions. It prevents less thread deletions. And any nasty grams from the three of us owners. The only complaint that I would say I really have for this soap is it does have a tendency to dry out a little bit quicker than most, and it doesn't quite have the slickness. But I'd like to see it have. All right, 3 and out, that's all she wrote. Let's see how we did. Pretty good, maybe just a little bit of cleanup. And of course the fool's pass. Just a tad bit of cleanup in the neck area. All right. The big tell is going to be the alum. It's supposed to be, I don't use alum that often, but I've been really enjoying this Proraso alum quite a bit. Not much feedback, a little bit on the fool's pass, which I expected. Tad bit on the chin, but nothing on the neck, nothing on the cheeks. So tells me that the edge on that razor is nice. As is typical with the Colonia or with the Acqua Parma, all alcohol based. Probably not exactly the most skin nourishing, but it's Acqua di Parma. Yeah, I would say that's definitely a DS BBS shave. So yeah, Acqua di Parma is something that I think everybody should try. Whether or not you keep it in the den is really up to you. But it's just a wonderful, just that typical citrusly Colonia Italian scent. And unlike a lot of the citrus scents, it actually, this one's pretty nourishing as far as the aftershave. Not the greatest, but it's not bad. And the scent lingers both in the aftershave and the EDP, especially the EDP on the Intensa. Just going to let that dry down for a few seconds. And as you can see, I'm getting close to having to replace it. It's almost donutting, but I've also had this for years. So it lasts a good long time. Okay, we'll finish up with the Proraso talc, as we have been this whole last week. It's just good stuff. And it really complements the Colonia scent. And it's a rosemary and mint. I think it's got a little bit of eucalyptus in it too. But it's just a wonderful talc. Leaves your face feeling smooth. And then, of course, the Colonia Intensa EDP. Alrighty, and that's our shave for today, folks. We certainly hope you enjoyed it. And if you get a chance to try Acqua di Parma, I would strongly suggest you do so. And if you've never been to the Shaving Cadre before, please come check us out at www.theshavingcadre.com. Have a blessed Sunday, everybody, and we'll see you next time.